Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Ramdan from Information System class 21A. Here I will present the result on the scientific work that has been made in season 13 entitled How Important is a Database Management System in a Company. To make time effective, let's look at the explanation. Introduction. Number one, what are databases? Bases can be interpreted as a headquarters or warehouse, a placing of netting or gathering. Data is a reflection of real-world fact that is represent objects such as human, affluence, student, buyers, customers, goods, animals, even concepts, circumstances, and so on, which are manifested in the form numbers, letters, symbols, text, image, sound, or a combination thereof. A database is a collection of logically recorded data group or data set, and their description, which are strung together in such a way and designed to meet the information need of the organization. Number two, basic concept of database. Database at the time very big impact on economic development and society. Database systems are important in the development of the field of software engineering, and databases are the framework that underlie information system and fundamentally change the way many organizations operate. Example of database usage in application: telephone number management application, company salary payment application, and others. Number three, database principles and purpose. The main principle of the database is the arrangement of data or archives. Its main purpose is the ease and speed of data, retrieval, or archives. What is highlighted in the database is the arrangement, sorting, grouping, organization of the data we will store according to the function or type. The organization of the data can be in the form of separate tables or in separate tables, the form of defining the column field of data each table. Next. Methods. Number one, research strategy. The strategy used in this research is the survey method, where this study cross quantitative analysis. Number two, population and sample. The population this study were 100 company employees. The research sample used for research sampling technique. Number three, method of collection data. The data collection technique in this research is the form of a questionnaire. Number four, data processing. In data processing using computer names the SPSS program or software product and service solution. Number five, data presentation. The result of data processing will be presented in written form so that it can be read easily and can be understood. Next. Result. Based on the survey result that have been carried out, it is stated that respondents are more comfortable using the database because it is easily accessible and the level of data security is much safer. For companies or organizations, the existence of database has an important function and role in supporting business process to be more effective and efficient. Efficient because the database is one of the main components in the information system, which is the basis for providing information to user. Next. Okay. Season discussion. Number 1. Why need a good database concept? Why need a good database concept? Because, I'm sorry. Because first, database can help minimize data accuracy. Sorry. Why need a good database concept? First, database can help minimize data redundancy. Redundancy is the occurrence of duplicate data in different files. Second, this database ensures high data integrity, where the database will ensure the accuracy, accessibility, consistency, and high quality of the data. Number 2, why is database security so important? There are 3 reasons why data security is important. The first is to prevent potential material loss. The second is to reduce to the risk of data or information misuse. The last is to reduce the chances of criminal action. Number 3, the advantages of the database system. Number 1, speed and convenience. Number 2, centralized data control. Number 3, storage space efficiency. 4, accuracy. 5, availability. 8, security. 6, security. 11, data impedance. The last, user view. Weakness is the database system. Number 4, weakness is the database system. Number 1, more expensive. 2, big process of is quite time consuming. 3, if there is improper access, damage might occur. 4, the system is more complicated, so it requires an expert. Okay. Conclusion. Management of data requires resources, namely managerial activities that apply information system technology, such as database management, database warehouse, and other data management tools in the task of managing organizational data research in order to meet the information needs of interested parties. Their business database structure is the way data is organized to make data processing more efficiency. This structure is implemented through a database management system. A database management system, or DBMS, is a piece of software that stores the structure of the database, the data itself, the relationship between the data in the database, from names, data types, number after decimal places, number of character values, default values, and another file description. Next. Okay, thank you very much. I'm sorry for problem. Thank you very much.